Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a pivot table in Excel to analyze your data effectively. Pivot tables help you quickly summarize and analyze large data sets, making it easier to draw insights. So let's dive in and learn how to create one. First, ensure that your data is organized in a table format. Each column should have a header, and there should be no blank rows or columns. Next, you will select the range of data you want to analyze. You can click and drag to highlight the entire table. You will now go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Once you click on that, a dialog box will appear and confirm the selected range and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed, either in a new worksheet or an existing worksheet. You will hit OK. And once you do that, the pivot table fields will appear. Here you can select the fields for your pivot table. You can customize your table further if needed, but let me first give you an example. So if you click on the region and you want to click on just a summary of the sales amounts of that region, you can select the two fields and it will give you a summary of that table. Now, if you want to change the calculation types, you can change them just selecting the drop-down arrow next to each of these fields, such as sum, average, or count. And another tip, if your original data does change, you can always right-click anywhere in the pivot table and select the refresh button to update it with the latest data, but you would have to update that in the original sheet for that to transfer over to the pivot table. And that's it. You've successfully created a pivot table in Excel. Use this powerful tool to analyze and summarize your data quickly. And thank you for your time.